Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Health Secrets. Friends, today we will discuss health benefits of guava fruits and leaves. And we will also discuss why guava is important for our skin. Before starting this video, it is a request to all of you that please subscribe my channel Health Secrets and hit the bell icon to get the notification about all new videos. Friends, a unique flavor and fragrance along with numerous health benefits make the guava a super delicious fruit. Guava is highly rich in vitamin C, lycopene and antioxidants that are essential for our skin. Friends, guava is also fully packed with folate, a mineral that is widely known to promote fertility. Friends, with all above minerals, guava is also rich in manganese. Guava is good in regaining the skin's readiness and freshness, as guava is rich in vitamin K, which helps to get rid of the skin discoloration, dark circles, redness and acne irritation. Now friends, let's discuss 10 amazing health benefits of guava. Number 1. Guava is very good for digestive system. Several studies shown that guava is good for digestive system. Guava leaf has antimicrobial properties that is good to neutralizing harmful microbes in your gut. Number 2. Guava is great in weight loss. Guava fruit is full of fibers but low in calories. So when we eat guava fruit, it may help you feel full without compromising essential nutrients and help you in reducing weight. Number 3. Guava may help to lower the risk of cancer. Friends, guava is full of powerful antioxidant polyphenols and rich in lycopene, quercetin and vitamin C. Due to the availability of powerful antioxidant, guava has an anti-cancer effect. Powerful antioxidants prevent free radicals that can damage healthy cells and can cause cancer. Some studies shown that guava fruit is good in reducing the prostate cancer risk and can also help to control the breast cancer. Number 4. Guava fruit is great immune booster. Friends, as we know that human immunity is linked with availability of vitamin C in the human body. If someone's vitamin C level is low, then there is high chance of infection and illness. Friends, we should thank the nature that guava is available in our lives. One guava contains the double amount of vitamin C present in one orange. So to maintain a reasonable level of vitamin C in body, we should add guava fruit in our life. Number 5. Guava fruit can improve the eyesight. Friends, guava has reasonable amount of vitamin A. The availability of vitamin A makes the guava a good booster for vision health. Guava can prevent the degradation of eyesight, also can improve the eyesight. People who use guava have less chance to develop cataracts and macular degeneration. Number 6. Guava has very good impact on skin health. Friends, guava fruit and guava leaves has a wide range of antioxidants and minerals that can improve our skin health. Guava is good in regaining the skin's readiness and freshness, as guava is rich in vitamin K, which helps to get rid of skin discoloration, dark circles, redness and acne irritation. Number 7. Guava can slow the aging process. Eating a guava daily can slow down the aging process. Friends, as guava is rich in vitamin C, A and antioxidant lycopene, carotene that can help to protect the skin from wrinkles. Number 8. Guava is good in cold and cough. Friends, as guava is full of vitamin C and iron, and the availability of both these makes the guava a magical fruit against cold and cough. During cough, use a raw guava fruit juice helps to disinfect the respiratory tract, throat and lungs and get rid of mucus as well. Number 9. Guava is great in brain health. Friends, guava is rich in vitamin B3 and vitamin B6 and both these vitamins help in improving the blood circulation to their brain and stimulate cognitive function and relax the brain nerves. Number 10. Guava is very beneficial for pregnant women. Friends, guava contains folic acid and vitamin B9 and both these vitamins are very good for pregnant women and can help in the development of baby's nervous system and protect the newborn from neurological disorder. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.